Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the LG microwave glass tray. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new glass tray. The glass tray is where you set your food in the microwave. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to change the part, we have to open up the microwave door. Once you have the door open, you can reach in and take the glass tray out. If it's broken, you want to make sure you get all the pieces and pull it out. Here's the old glass tray next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new glass tray in, all you have to do is set it down onto the drive. Make sure it locks in so it turns. Once you have the part installed, you can close the microwave door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.